Okay, that one not recorded, this one recorded, so start. So whenever you want to solve equation, it means that we need to solve for the unknown. In this case is x. So how? So very simple. So first step, you want to combine the left hand side and right hand side to one single log. Now look at the left hand side. How many logs are there? 2. So how to combine into one log? The 2 I need to bring up. Very good. So now you are telling me the 2 you have to bring up. So let's start. This 2 here you got to bring up. The 3 there, leave it. So you just leave it. So log 2 4x minus log 2 5 square equals 3. Okay, combine log 2 4x divide by 5 square equals 3. So this step everyone clear? Know what is going on? Okay? Okay. Step 2. Step 2, there is actually 2 things. This part is logarithm already. But this one is logarithm? No, right? It's not, right? It's not logarithm. So, but then it says right hand side also must change to single log. So, from here, I need you to split. I teach you 2 different ways. Okay? So, from here, you split. Method 1, method 2. Okay? Both ways are okay. So I start. Now, first way is what we are used to. Tell me, if this is logarithm, this 2 stands for base. This one stands for power. So, this is my base. Please take down. This is my power. So, method 1 means I want to remove the logarithm. This is base, this is power. So, 2 to the power of 3 is equal to this one. Okay, so I write 2 to the power of... Stop talking. Unless you're asking, then continue. Stop. So 2 to the power of 3 is equal to this one. Right? Remember I mentioned before, I'm going to show you this is not some special unorthodox way. I'm going to show you method 2. Now, method 2, now, look at this 3 here. This 3, can I add logarithm inside? Example, 3 times 1 is 3. So, over here, log 2 4x over 5 square is equals to 3 times a log. Now, this log here, it can be base of any number times any number. But because this is 2, so here should be log 2, 2. This one should be log 2, 2. Log 2, 2. Now, can I say the log inside equals to log inside? Not yet, because there's a 3 here. How must I do to the 3? Bring up. So I try, I bring up. Log 2 4x over 5 square equals to log 2, 2, 3. Now, if this is log base 2, this is log base 2, both are the same log base 2, what can you say about the inside? They're the same. Cannot cancel, but the inside is the same. So I copy this down, 4, don't yawn eh. But if yawn means you are very awake, then good. Okay, so 4x over 5 square is equals to 2 cubed. Is it the same? What am I trying to show you? These are equal not because I invent the way base and index. This is equal because of the logarithm law. Okay? So method 2 is the official way, but this is also accepted. Which one is better? One. You don't have to do so many things. But you have to be very sure which one is the base, which one is the power, and which one is the number. Okay, let's continue from here. From here, I will pause the video. Now, check that x equals to 50. So we summarize, we say first step is to combine left hand side, right hand side to single log. Second step is to remove the log. Then you can solve. Now, look at this. I want you to show that it's not solving. This is a show. This is a show. So first, you got to tell me, can you combine? The answer is no. Okay. Now, if the answer is no, then my next question is, how do you simplify this? Change the base. So I need to change the base. Change the base. What base do I want to change? 7, 8, or 49? So I want to change base. Do you want to change to 8, 7, or 49? Answer is? Actually, I will choose 7. You want to choose A, huh? Okay, I choose A, I choose A. I thought I would choose 7, but let's choose A. Let's choose A. So I try, So, log 7, no. Log A over log 8. Now look at the first thing, the first one. Look at the first one. Log A, log 8. What do I put? A or 7 first on top? Wrong. A is the new base. The old base must put at the denominator. This one put at the numerator. So this is A, this is 7. This is A, this is 7. Times log A. Now 49, what do you think we're going to do? 7 squared. Now, you cannot tell me equal to 2 and then you try to solve, cannot. Proving means you must always prove from left hand side. Answer equal to right hand side. So from here, do you see the answer already? Can I cancel log A and log A? Cannot. Why? There is a 2 on top. There's a square on top. I can bring down. So if I bring down, this will be, what is log AA? Stop telling me 0. Stop telling me 0. So I want to write something like this, and from here I can cancel the log A7. I cancel not because it's log. I cancel because this is the same number, the value is the same. And what's the final answer? This is equal to 2. This is equal to 2. Hashtag. Then you write equal to right hand side, proven. When is the last time you proved something? In Trigo, In Trigo. In Trigo. Then after that, we go to the next page. So, while you are still writing, first you want to change this into base 5. And you cannot write this as an equation, because once you write this equation, it's wrong. So you're going to cancel this away. So you start with left hand side is equal to this. You change to base 5. And I will focus at the 25, become 5 squared. And the 2 will come down. This 2 is the denominator. So it will become half times log 5, 64. The half can go up. So it becomes 64 half. 64 power half is 8. I can combine these two together. Can I stop here? No, I must write. This is log 5, 25 is equal to right hand side. Therefore shown. Question is, do I need to simplify this? Yes, this is equal. This one. Yeah, you can also simplify. Oh, hey, there's another. Yeah. Okay. There is another way of, now, those of you who don't like this denominator is half method, there is another way you can simplify this. This log 64 is 8 squared, right? Can the 2 come down? Okay, then you notice that you can cancel off. This is a better method. So this is log 5, 8, 2. This is log 5, 5. 2 can cancel, and this is log 8. Do you follow? This is an easier method. I think this method is easier than the 2 is the denominator method. Alright, so the 2 come down, the 2 can cancel, log 5 is 1. So I'm left with log 8. Straight away I'm here already. Then I can combine. Okay? on page 4, I want you to copy these two down, and then the top one is wrong. Top one is wrong because top one is log P times log Q. Now I want you to write log P minus log Q. I want you to write wrongly. How to write wrongly? Log P over log Q. Very good. And this is good because this is wrong. When you combine, then it will be log P over Q. There's no 2 log. Okay? Now with this, I want to go on to next page. Now turn to this page now. So it's like what, huh? I'm waiting for someone to ask me. So what is the correct answer for this? It's over here. It's over here. So instead of log P over log Q, it should be log, a single log, then P over Q. P over Q. So the correct answer is, it should be log P over Q, then one whole thing. Alright, something like that. Follow? Puja? Okay? Okay. Alright, go on to the next page. Now, let's start with this. This is on page 6. Exponential. Let's start. This is another common thing that will come out in exam. Equation involving exponential function. Now, exponential means I have a to the power of x, e to the power of x. What is the common thing here? Wow. The x unknown is at the... Very good. The unknown is at the power. Unknown is at the power. Let's start. Now let's start with the first one. Now I will show you I will show you this, and this, then you continue. Now let's start with the first one. 5 power x is equals to 8. Now how I wish... here, inside. Okay, all look up first. I go through one, then you continue. Now, the idea is the unknown is at the power. How I wish the unknown can come down. The unknown can come down. But can the x jump down like that? No, it must have a ladder. And the ladder is the logarithm. So, it means that I can actually add log to both sides. And what happens now? This x can come down because the x got ladder now for the log now. So the x can come down. And how do I find for x? How do I find for x? What must I do to log 5? Bring over. Now this log 5 can bring over because it's a number. This is actually a value. So it's like 3 point something. So I can bring it over. So this is what I will write. Log 8 over log 5. How to solve this? Press calculator. Log 8 over log 5. What's the number? 5 decimal place. 1.2920. I can't hear clearly, but I think you said this. 202. My question is this, why do I choose log base 10? Because, can press calculator. Can I use ln? Can. You understand? So if you use ln both sides, will you get the same answer? Yes. You try? Ln 8 over ln 2. Is it same answer? Ln 8 over ln 2. Ln 5. Ln 8 over ln 5. Is it same answer? Yes. So it doesn't matter. Now, let's go on to B. Now, if you see E, what should you use? Log or ln? Ln, you must use ln already. So what's the first thing you do? Add ln both sides. So I add ln both sides. So I write down ln 4e 2x equals 21. Can my 2x come down? Can my 4x come down? Answer is? Oh, yeah. Sorry. Okay, now. Can my 2x come down? Answer is? Cannot. Why? Because got the 4 here. Again, I repeat. The 2x cannot come down. This cannot come down. This one cannot come down because of the 4 here. So what must I do? I must split. So this will become ln 4 plus ln e 2x equal ln 21. Yeah, I'm going to show you that thing. I'm going to show you that one later. So after that, what do? Can the 2x come down? Can. So ln 4 plus 2x. What is ln e? What is ln e? 1. Ln e is 1. So I continue. So 2x equals to ln 21 minus ln 4. X equals to ln 21 minus ln 4 divided by 2. And I got a final answer. Can you check, is this? Can, Now, alternative. Some of you say, can I first divide the 4 over? Answer is yes. So alternative method, So alternative method is first, I write e2x is equal to 21 over 4. Now can I add ln both sides? Can. I think this one faster, right? Can my 2x come down? Can my 2x from here come down? Nobody answer me. Yes, now because there's only one e, there's no number in front, my 2x can come down. So 2x equals to ln 21 over 4. Then I divide by 2. X equals to ln 21 over 4 divided by 2. Then I get the answer. I press my calculator, I get the answer. Now, since you know that it's good to have e on one side, instead of 4e like that, it's good to have like alone. Can you suggest to me for C, how will you do it? What do you want to do? There's a minus 7 2x. You want to rearrange so that the 7 2x is alone. You understand? So I will bring it over. I will bring this over. I will have 7 2x equals to 3. Do you see? Again, I want the 7 2x to be alone. I like my x to be on the left hand side. So I bring it over, it will be positive. I bring the 1 over, it will be negative. If you don't like, you can do it slowly. You can tell me, this will be minus 7 2x equals to 1 minus 4. And then 7 2x equals to 3. Same. Okay? Now, from here, what do I do? Can I add ln both sides? Can. Then you continue. Now, look at this. You try yourself. Yes. Wait. Now, one more, then we stop the video. Can all of you look at E now? All of you look at E. Yeah, I'm screaming for attention. I need your attention. Now, I finish this, then you continue yourself. Now, first, can I combine them together? No. X, no, right? It's a no. I cannot combine together. Because, why? There's a minus. If it's multiplied, can I combine together? Yes, law of indices, right? an times an, n plus n. an divided by an, n minus n. But this is minus n. Can I combine? No. Cannot. So what must I do? Sub. I can split. I can do a lot of things. Substitute is correct. Now let's try. X plus 1, how do I split into 3x? So this is 3x times 3, 1 minus 3x equals 8. Now, two way of doing it. First way, you tell me, sure, there is two terms here. I can factorize 3x. This is 3, 1 minus 1 equals 8. This is 2 equals 8. I bring the 2 over, sure, this is 4. Then you can solve. But not many of you like the factorization method. Again, not many of you like this method. So you can say, sure, I see 3 power x, I see 3 power x. Can I let 3 power x be something? So I try, let p equals 3 power x. I purposely don't use y. So this will be p times 3 minus p equals to 8. Is it easy? 3p minus p equals 8. How many p is that? 2. 2p equals to 8. P equals to 4. Can I hashtag here? No, I want to solve for x. So I write 3x equals 4. Then after that, what do I do? The x must come down. What must I do? Add log both sides.